Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I do have some updates for you. I have a new camera, a new computer. I'm learning how to edit. So yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and I cut and dyed my hair. And yeah, let's get into it. I hope you guys like the new intro that's coming up next. Okay, so I hope you guys like the new intro. Let me know about it. It took me 3 hours to make because as I was practicing, I decided to go ahead and try and do an intro. So that's what I came up with. To conceal my eyes, I use a mixture of the 310 Fenty Pro Filter and Fair Warm from the E.L.F 16-hour Camo Concealer line. I'll be using the Jaclyn palette. So using this angled brush, I'm going to dip it into a very burgundy shade. And I'm going to focus that on the outer corner. Doing some packing and some blending. As you go to the edge, you want to soften and not necessarily go too rough to create a nice blend. So now grabbing a very orangey shade on a blending brush, I'm going to blend out the outer edge and bring that towards the inner corner. What I want to start doing is not bring the dark color all the way up to my brow bone. I know I started doing that when I created my Instagram page because, you know, makeup on Instagram is so dramatic. And I started doing that. So I'm trying to learn how to control my shadow to where I don't bring the darkest color all the way up. Taking the tiniest bit of that burgundy color, I'm going to slowly bring it into the inner corner. I haven't even told you guys what kind of look I'm going for. I think it's pretty obvious. I'm going for a half cut crease. And I want to show you guys that you don't always have to cut your crease with concealer to achieve that look. So yeah, I'm going in with Beam on the Milani Cosmetics flat brush, and I'm going to spray that with Milani Make It Last setting spray so that you can get a very metallic-y finish. And now all you do is just carefully place it in the area you would do your half cut crease. See, and it's exactly the same as how you would do your normal cut crease. I did leave it pretty low because I do like an exaggerate cut crease, a dramatic cut crease. But yeah, I guess for my first video back, I want to do something very simple. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell that my eye is watering. Okay, so you can totally stop here and continue with the rest of your face, your lower lash line, but I like to add another metallic shade where Beam and that burgundy is to create a nice transition. So with that said, grabbing this tiny shader brush, I don't know what it's called. I'm going to get Firework from the same palette, spray it, and blend. So in the midst of doing my face, as you can tell, I have a little bit of contour and some brightness here. I wanted to show you guys what I do for nose contour. So taking the Wet n Wild contouring palette and Dulce de Leche, I get a little bit, dust it off, and I create a nose bridge or whatever. Just a line, and I connect it to my eyebrow. Just go straight down. Using a pencil brush, I'm going to get that brightening shade and put it in the middle. So if you know me, you know I don't really like using blush, and that I go ham with the bronzer. I like going in with a big brush because it covers more area. So yeah. The natural light outside is getting pretty dull, so you can see how the light changes in my room. I didn't mention that this is my second time filming this look because a girl don't know her camera settings. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash line, do liner, mascara, and lashes. I want you guys to see that my liner is not perfect, but I just want you guys to know, learn when to stop with your liner before you mess up your look. It's not gonna like kill you if it's a little bit off or whatever. Just learn when to stop. Today I'll be using these lashes, Blossom. They're from an Instagram company, and I'll have them linked below. I do have a discount code, and I'll put up on the screen, Rositaaa XO15. I think I'm right. They're so pretty. These are my favorite. But I am doing a trick, which is, the trick is to curl your lashes. So hold on by the end. I hold them by the end, and basically the lash band is here, the lashes are on the outside, and I just curl them. You can see it gives them such a beautiful curl, and they'll look so nice once they're on your eye. So let's do that. You guys can tell, but it's just the tiniest bit. And you let that dry. So I look down and I have lashes tilted up. And I make sure that I feel it on my lid. So I'm pressing in, get my tweezers, make sure there's no dried glue on there, and I fix the inner corner. So I think in total I set my face maybe 3 to 4 times, maybe even 5 times throughout the whole time I'm doing my makeup. When I'm filming, it takes me about an hour and a half, maybe to 2 hours to do my makeup. But on a regular, it might take me maybe an hour to do my makeup. Yeah, so again, going in with the Make It Last from Milani. I think they just came out with a matte one. I like this one though. And I'm going to spray my face. And now going in with the Becky G and ColourPop collab. I'm going in with Chisme. And I like to spray my face so that the highlighter has something to stick to. So after that, I go in one last time of the Make It Last setting spray, and that's it. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. It's been an experience trying to come back. I do feel like this video was like very serious and very but be prepared for more content. Because it's summer, I'm going to try and put out more videos, so bear with me, help me get better. Any pointers, any advice, I will gladly take through my Instagram, personal, or makeup, which I'll put up on the screen at Rositaaa Tejada with 3 A's and Rosita. Anywhere that you have me, feel free to suggest any videos, any content. I will gladly receive it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell if you'd like to get notified whenever I post new videos.